Split text effect. Let's start the tutorial. Import the white background. I will add from the stock material in a timeline. Now increase its length to around 14 seconds. Now add text. Then write what do you want to write. I will write vacation. Change the font. And now change the color to black. And increase the font size. Increase the length of the text equal to the white background. And then hit export. Now import your exported clip from the gallery. Now add the video. I will add this as an example and add your exported clip. Make both equal to each other. Now select the exported text clip and scroll down and change mode to brighten. In this way you will have this effect in text. Now, from around 2 seconds, start the video, and from the start of the video, go to the mask and add horizontal mask. Go back to the basics of the video and add the transform key. Now, move the playhead to around 5 seconds and drag this clip in upward direction and add the keyframe. In this way you will have this effect. Now copy this clip and paste in a timeline. Now in the new clip, delete the second keyframe. Go to the mask and hit the reverse. In this way you will have the effect. Now go back to basics and drag this down. Add the keyframe again. And here you go. In this way you can easily have the split text effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel.